This video will explain how to use the Nytro SEO content generation prompt tool. This tool is designed to help you create advanced prompts for generating optimized SEO content in your favorite content creation app, such as ChatGPT and others. The video will guide you through enabling, configuring, and effectively using the tool. Navigate to the Keywords section and go to the Manage Keywords menu. Identify and select the keyword or topic you want to target for content creation. Simply search for, or choose a keyword or topic to enhance with newly optimized content. In this example, we will search for the keyword topic automatic SEO. You can select up to 10 additional related keywords. It is recommended to keep the primary and secondary keywords within the same topic. Once you've selected the keywords, click the Content Generation button. Please note that the Content Generation button will appear automatically once you select the keywords. You can configure your prompt according to your needs, such as content type, content items, language of the article, style, and type. The prompt is set to use Nytro's specialized ChatGPT prompt, which is provided for free. However, you can redefine the link to any of your preferred content generation apps. You can also select or change the primary and secondary keywords. The main keyword helps ChatGPT understand the focus of your article, and you can mark it with an asterisk. The target audience is automatically generated during the automation setup. You can edit each item and add any missing ones. This data will be used to create content tailored to your preferred audience. You can enter optional instructions. For example, I added focus on targeting vendor services for businesses located in New York. This step is optional, but you can include special instructions, such as a local focus, highlighting specific services, or anything similar. After that, you can copy or export to a file and press Generate. Please note, while Nytro SEO prompt is free, you will need access to your own ChatGPT account. Paste and run the prompt in your ChatGPT. An article will be generated for your review. If needed, you can request an increase in the word count of the article. For example, I requested at least 2,500 words. You can also create an image for the article, though this is optional. By default, the image will be based on your primary keywords, but you can provide additional instructions if needed. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, send us a ticket or book a meeting with our support team.